welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing like a Easter kind of look, I guess. I don't know, I don't have too much blues and greens, so this is what I'm going to be working with today. And I am using the palette from MAC. This is the Pastel ×9. So these are all pastel colors, so I figured why not using it, because I haven't ever dug into this one because it's really light, and also it's more fair on my skin, so it wouldn't pick up as much pigmentation that I am looking for. But I have used a majority of these colors on my eyes right now, and so far I am loving it. So if you guys want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, 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 I hate all this overthinking, oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking, oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no,
So thank you guys for watching, and if you have any requests on what kind of makeup looks you want me to do, or maybe recreate, then please let me know down in the comments down below. Everything that I used, the products, is going to be listed down below for you guys to check that out also. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.